Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Chaturvedi and I am your new English teacher. So in this video I am going to start your prose book, that is Beehive, from the very beginning. And as you can see, I am going to cover the first chapter from your book, The Fun They Had, right? So in this video I am going to explain this chapter, The Fun They Had. So without wasting any time, let's start. Before we start, beta, it is very important for us to know that what is the gist of this chapter, what things are being actually discussed in this. So for that, you have to look at at these figures, है ना? So here you can see a boy is studying on computer. Here is a concept of virtual classroom given. Virtual classroom where without students or teachers. So classroom running through the digitalization is called virtual classroom. Robotic teachers will be there. Man is not going to be the teacher. As well as moving e-text. What do you understand by moving e-text? Just suppose if you turn any page of your book, so you find the same material being printed or written in that. But moving e-text means means electronic text, means wherever you will slide it or in the computers, the text are being moved. So this whole story has been narrated by keeping in mind that this is the future of our generation. So how our future studies and how our future schools will be, that is being discussed here. So before we start, if you read this particular stanza, it will be pretty clear to all of you. Before you read, the story we shall read is set in the future. ये फ्यूचर को ध्यान में रख करके लिखी गई है. When books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. जो कि बुक्स और स्कूल जैसा कि आज के टाइम पे हैं, शायद तब आगे चल के ऐसा नहीं होगा. दे विल नॉट एग्जिस्ट. हाउ विल चिल्ड्रन स्टडी देन? देन द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ विल द चिल्ड्रन स्टडी देन? तब वो कैसे पढ़ाई करेंगे? द डायग्राम बिलो may give you some ideas. So that is why I have shown you this diagram, that you can actually relate the things कि आखिर फ्यूचर की पढ़ाई कैसे होगी. Okay. Okay, now let's start this particular chapter. So in this chapter there are 10 paragraphs given. We will discuss one by one. So first of all, first paragraph, Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary on the page headed 17 May 2157. So the story belongs to 2157 and currently we are living in 2020. So that actually defines that this story is much more years after based, right? So today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandmother told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So what is he saying? Ki Margie is a character. Margie is a human being of future, right? So Margie even wrote that in that night. So you all know the concept of diary writing. It is also I mean available in your syllabus, right? Grammar writing part में diary entry भी है. So Margie wrote in her diary that today Tommy found a real book. Tommy is also again a human character. So he is saying कि Tommy आज एक real book पाया. Real book means you can relate the real books. You all read, you all study with the real books. So Margie is mentioning in her diary, वो भी किस डेट में, 17 मई 2157, कि टॉमी ने आज एक रियल बुक पाया. ओके, नाउ इट वॉज अ वेरी ओल्ड बुक. ये बहुत ही पुरानी किताब थी. मार्गीज ग्रैंडफादर वंस सेड दैट व्हेन ही वॉज अ लिटिल बॉय हिज ग्रैंडफादर told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on paper. So here it is saying कि मार्गी के ग्रैंडफादर ने उसे एक बार बताया था कि मार्गी के ग्रैंडफादर जब पढ़ा करते थे, सो दे वर हैविंग बुक्स विच वर बीइंग प्रिंटेड. कैसी किताबों से वो पढ़ते थे? प्रिंटेड स्टोरीज. यू कैन रिलेट इट विद योर current study, right? They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood in still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. So जो किताब उन्होंने पाई थी, they turned the pages, उन्होंने उसके पन्नों को पलटा, which were yellow and crinkly. Crinkly here the meaning is written with many folds or lines. जब हम किसी किताब के पन्नों को मोड़ते हैं तो उसमें जो दरारें या लाइनें पड़ जाती हैं, that is called crinkly. So वो जब उस किताबों को पलट रहे थे, so it was awfully funny. If you look at this word बेटा, awfully. So अगर awful लिखा होता, so awful means होता है bad. Awful का synonyms क्या होता है? Bad. But here ly is also added. So when we add ly at the end of any word, it becomes adverb, right? हम किसी भी चीज़ में ly जब ऐड करते हैं तो वो क्या बन जाता है? एडवर्ब बन जाता है. सो ऑफुली फनी. ऑफुली फनी का मतलब बैडली फनी, मतलब बहुत बुरी तरह से फनी चीज़ उनके हाथ लगी कि द पेजेस वॉट एवर थिंग्स वर प्रिंटेड ऑन द पेजेस वॉज फाउंड अगेन व्हेन दे वर टर्निंग द पेज. मीन्स उनके हिसाब से स्क्रीन पे जैसे मूविंग टेक्स्ट होता है, अगर आप कंप्यूटर पे देखें तो जब भी आप मूव करेंगे तो वो स्क्रीन मूव करेगी, बट दे वर फाउंडिंग द सेम थिंग रिटन ऑन द पेज. जब भी वो पन्ने को पलट रहे थे, सो दे थॉट दैट द थिंग्स रिटन ऑन द बुक विल चेंज, बट इट डिडंट हैपन. सो दैट वॉज रियली फनी फॉर देम. एंड देन when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it had written when they read the first time. वही चीज़ जो मैंने अभी बताया आपको कि जब भी वो पन्ने को दोबारा किसी एक पन्ने से दूसरे पन्ने पर जाते थे या वापस उस पर आते थे, so they were finding the same thing written or printed on the book. So this was the first stanza. Now coming back, moving ahead to the second paragraph. Gee, said Tommy, what a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Gee is a exclamation, disgusting exclamation, right? घृणात्मक exclamation है ना, हम कहते हैं ना गी. तो गी इज़ अ डिस्गस्टिंग एक्सक्लामेशन. टॉमी ने बुक को देख करके काफ़ी डिस्गस्ट जैसा रिएक्ट किया. वॉट अ वेस्ट, क्या कितना बर्बादी जैसा चीज़ है ये. When you are through with the book means जब आप इस किताब को देखेंगे, so you will not be satisfied. What you will do? You will just throw it away. आप इसे कहीं फेंक देंगे. I guess our television screen must have had a million books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. And now in this particular stanza, he is comparing the real book with his television screen books, means tele books. तो इस कह रहा है कि मेरे कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन में ढेर सारी टेली बुक्स हैं जिसको मैं कभी फेंकूंगा नहीं, बट दिस बुक विच आई हैव फाउंड इज़ वेरी डिस्गस्टिंग. Same with mine, said Margie. She was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. So Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13 years old. So it is very obvious that the one who is 13 years old must have seen more telebooks than the one which is of 11 years old. तो वही यहाँ पे लिखा है बेटा, अगर आप देखें कि she was 11 and had not seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. जितना टॉमी ने देखा था उतनी ज़्यादा मार्गी ने टेलीबुक्स नहीं देखी थी. She said, where did you find it? उसने पूछा कि आखिर ये बुक तुम्हें कहाँ पे मिली. In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading in the attic. So he said कि उसको ये किताब कहाँ मिली, उसके हाउस में. and when he said this thing, he was busy reading that book, है ना. He was busy in reading that book. And then the same question again, the next question asked by Margie is what's it about. जो बुक उसे मिली है ये पूछा जा रहा है कि ये किसके बारे में है, आखिर इसमें क्या चीज़ लिखा है. सो द आंसर केम स्कूल. स्कूल के बारे में ये किताब है, राइट. So this was the second paragraph. Now moving ahead to the third paragraph. Margie was scornful. School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. So Margie said that she hates school, and her reaction was scornful. What is the meaning of scornful? Contemptuous, showing you think something is worthless. किसी चीज़ को इस तरह से देखना जैसे वो बिल्कुल ही निरर्थक हो, जिसका कोई काम ना हो, इस तरह से बताना. So Margie hated school. That is why her reaction was very scornfully. And Margie always hated school. बट नाउ शी हेटेड इट मोर देन एवर. मार्गी पहले से ही हेट करती थी, लेकिन अब और ज़्यादा हेट करती है स्कूल को. द मैकेनिकल टीचर हैड बीन गिविंग हर टेस्ट आफ्टर टेस्ट इन जियोग्राफी एंड शी हैड बीन डूइंग वर्स एंड वर्स until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. So here this paragraph is very interesting beta. As you can see, county inspector term is used. County inspector, you can relate the county inspector to the principal of school, right? You can relate the county inspector to the principal of school. So what was happening? As I had shown you the figure before, that there were virtual classrooms and virtual tests. So she was hating the school because the mechanical teacher means the digital teacher, was taking tests and again in geography, and her performance was very bad. And after so many disappointing performances, her mother shaken her head sorrowfully. Sorrowfully means दुखी से. Sorrow means दुख, sorrowful means दुखी, और sorrowfully means adverb है. तो बहुत ही निराशा से उन्होंने अपना सर पकड़ लिया. That she got very disappointed with the performance of Margie. And when she got very disappointed, she took her to the county inspector. County inspector means someone who will judge her, someone who will make judgment on the performances, right? कि किसी को दिखाने ले जाना कि आखिर इसकी परफॉर्मेंस लगातार बुरी होती चली जा रही है, तो ये कैसे सुधरेगी. सो हियर वी कैन रिलेट द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर टू द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आवर स्कूल. दिस वाज द थर्ड स्टैंजा. नाउ मूविंग अहेड टू द फोर्थ स्टैंजा, आई मीन फोर्थ पैराग्राफ. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. So how the county inspector looks like is being described here. So county inspector को he से denote किया गया है. He was a round little man. It was a round kind of this round little man with a red face, जिसका face क्या था, red था, and a whole box of tools means उसमें tools के ढेर सारे boxes लगे थे, with dials and wires जिसमें कीपैड 1 2 3 नंबरिंग या डायल्स एंड वायर्स तार वगैरह उसमें लगे हुए थे. ही स्माइल्ड एट मार्गी एंड गेव हर एन एप्पल. सो काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर स्माइल्ड एट मार्गी एंड गेव हर एन एप्पल, देन टुक द टीचर अपार्ट. मार्गी हैड होप्ड ही वुड नॉट नो हाउ टू पुट इट टुगेदर अगेन, बट ही न्यू हाउ ऑल राइट, and after an hour also there it was again. So the county inspector took the mechanical teacher with him, means वो मैकेनिकल टीचर को ले गया. एंड मार्गी वॉज अ बिट हैप्पी कि अब टीचर का उससे पीछा छूट गया, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. आफ्टर एन आवर देयर इट वॉज अगेन. वो उसे समझ करके आया कि आखिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि मार्गी की परफॉर्मेंस लगातार बैड आ रही थी किसी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट में. Large and black and ugly with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. So how did the mechanical teacher look like? It was large, black and ugly. Ugly means very disdainful. With a big screen, एक big screen जिसपे बहुत सारे lessons दिखा रहे थे questions के साथ, right? That was not so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. So in this particular lines, in these lines, so the process of giving homework and how the homeworks are being checked is being discussed. So what was more bad for Margie, or what did Margie hate most was the homework slot. So how was the homework being checked? So there was a homework slot where you have to put your homework of each and every subject. Slot means जैसे आप कंप्यूटर में कोई चिप या पेन ड्राइव पुट करते हैं, लगाते हैं, तो उसी तरह से उस कंप्यूटर में एक होमवर्क स्लॉट होगा, राइट. So most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in a punch code. और होमवर्क्स को भी कोडिंग में लिखना पड़ता था. It was not like that you will write directly. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. So आप आज के टाइम से कंपेयर करिए. सो कोडिंग इज बीइंग लर्नड बाय एनी स्टूडेंट व्हेन ही इज 21 22 और आफ्टर हिज ग्रेजुएशन, बट this is story is based on the future and it is being clearly mentioned here that the coding was being taught to the Margi when she was only 6 years old, right? So that was the most hating part for her कि 6 साल की उम्र में कोडिंग को भी उसे होमवर्क करके, होमवर्क स्लॉट बना करके उसको पुट करना पड़ता था. एंड the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. The mechanical teacher was so accurate and efficient कि उसको होमवर्क चेक करने में ज़रा भी समय नहीं लगता था, राइट? सो दैट वाज द मोस्ट हेटिंग पार्ट फॉर मार्गी कि शी इज़ कंप्लीटिंग हर वर्क बाय टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ टाइम by using her mind, but the homework is being sent within minutes. Okay, so this was the fourth paragraph. Now moving ahead to the fifth paragraph. In this particular video I will discuss up to only fifth paragraph, and I will make another video where I will discuss the remaining part of the chapter. So let's see the last paragraph of this video. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. पैटेड मीन्स बेटा होता है शाबाशी देना, अपने हाथ से थपथपाना, ठीक है? सो इंस्पेक्टर हैड स्माइल्ड आफ्टर ही वॉज फिनिश्ड. सो व्हेन द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर इंट्रोस्पेक्ट्स एवरीथिंग, ही पैटेड मार्गीज हेड. ही सेड टू हर मदर, इट्स नॉट द लिटिल गर्ल्स फॉल्ट. वो कह रहा है कि इसमें बच्ची की कोई गलती नहीं है. मिसेस जोन्स इज द नेम ऑफ हर मदर, राइट? मार्गीज मदर्स नेम इज मिसेस जोन्स. सो ही इज सेइंग कि इसमें बच्ची की कोई गलती नहीं है. आई थिंक द जियोग्राफी सेक्टर वॉज गियर्ड अ लिटिल टू क्विक. सो व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन और व्हाट वाज द प्रॉब्लम ही इज डिस्क्राइबिंग कि जियोग्राफी सेक्शन जो था इट वाज बीइंग कवर्ड वेरी क्विकली. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट वाज डिफिकल्ट फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स टू ग्रास्प द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. I have slowed it up to an average 10-year level. So Margi is 10 or to 11 years old. So the county inspector is saying कि उसने जियोग्राफी के स्पीड को, पढ़ाने के स्पीड को किस लेवल पे ले आया है? 10 ईयर के लेवल पे. उसको स्लो कर दिया है कि जो भी सिलेबस या कॉन्सेप्ट है वो धीरे धीरे कवर हो सके, so that it could not bother Margi as well as her mother again. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. And what is the feedback being given? कि उसका overall performance काफ़ी संतोषजनक है. And he patted Margie's head again. इतना कह करके उसने फिर से मार्गी को शाबाशी दी. But Margi was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. So she was hoping that the mechanical teacher, the county inspector will take the teacher with him, but it didn't happen. He came with a solution. He slowed the syllabus pattern of geography and give it back to the Margie's mother, right? They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. So she said to Tommy, why would anyone write about school? So she was hoping कि when she will visit to the county inspector, so her homework, mechanical teacher would be taken away. क्यों ऐसा उसने सोचा? क्योंकि एक बार टॉमी के टीचर को तकरीबन महीनों के लिए काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर अपने पास रखे थे उसमें करेक्शन करने के लिए. सो शी हैड थॉट द सेम वे कि अगर मुझसे इस मैकेनिकल टीचर का पीछा छूट जाएगा तो उसको होमवर्क वगैरह नहीं करना पड़ेगा. बट अगेन व्हाट डिड द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर डू? ही रिपेयर्ड द मैकेनिकल टीचर एंड गिव इट बैक टू मार्गी. सो दैट इज़ वाई शी वॉज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड. और इसलिए उसने कहा टॉमी से, why would anyone write about school? She is so much frustrated from school कि वो कह रही है कि आखिर उस बुक में क्यों कोई स्कूल के बारे में लिखेगा. जब स्कूल इतना बुरा होता है तो आखिर कोई क्यों इस स्कूल के बारे में किसी भी बुक में लिखेगा. सो आई होप स्टूडेंट्स अप टू 5th paragraph everything is clear to you. In case if you are having any problem, feel free to ask me, and the remaining part of the chapter will be discussed in the later part. Thanks.